High-paying online jobs in the Philippines for beginners. Looking for high-paying part-time online jobs in the Philippines for beginners. As the digital age continues to grow, the demand for remote work opportunities has surged, making it an attractive option for those seeking flexible income and the freedom to work from home. Join us as we explore 7 promising online jobs tailored for beginners in the Philippines that offer financial rewards and a chance to dive into the digital workforce. Freelance writing. If you have a talent for crafting captivating stories with words, freelance writing could be the perfect online career for you. It's not just about putting words together. It's about creating content that connects with readers, whether it's through engaging blog posts, informative articles, or compelling website content. Blogging is one of the most popular forms of content marketing today. As a freelance writer, you can explore various topics, from travel and food to technology and health. Your job is to research, write, and deliver informative, entertaining, or thought-provoking blog posts that keep readers engaged. General virtual assistant. In today's fast-paced digital age, businesses and entrepreneurs are continually seeking support to efficiently manage their administrative tasks. This is where virtual assistants fast come into play, as they offer remote administrative assistance that helps streamline operations. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and tech-savvy, a career as a virtual assistant could lead to success for you. Virtual assistants are essential for remote business operations. They provide invaluable support to companies and entrepreneurs by managing various administrative tasks from a distance. Your responsibilities as a VA may include handling emails, managing calendars, arranging appointments, and organizing digital files. By taking these tasks off your clients' plates, you allow them to focus on core business activities. Depending on the role, a VA can do a wide variety of tasks such as administrative duties, making appointments, scheduling meetings, planning social events, etc. Data entry, making sure that specific data sets are up to date. This includes keeping spreadsheets updated and checking data for accuracy. Lead generation, qualifying prospects online and inputting them into a spreadsheet, as well as finding their contact information. Usually, companies that hire virtual assistants don't require any work experience from their candidates and teach you all the necessary skills on the job. Data entry. Data entry is a crucial task for many businesses and organizations. It involves the careful process of turning raw data into organized, usable information. If you pay attention to detail and strive for accuracy, data entry could be a great place to start your online career. At its core, data entry involves taking complex data sets and turning them into structured formats. This includes entering data into databases, spreadsheets, or other digital systems. The data you work with could range from customer information and financial records to inventory data and research findings. Data entry roles are seen as suitable for beginners in the online job market. The tasks are simple and don't require significant prior experience or specialized knowledge. It's a job that can be easily learned, making it accessible to those who are just starting their online work journey. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a powerful platform for sharing knowledge, breaking down geographical barriers, and connecting people from diverse backgrounds to learn. As an online tutor, you have the opportunity to share your expertise, inspire learning, and foster intellectual growth from the comfort of your own home. The global reach of online tutoring allows you to connect with students from around the world, regardless of their location. Whether you excel in teaching English, math, science, or any other subject, Your virtual classroom becomes a hub for learners seeking knowledge and guidance. Online tutoring accommodates a wide array of subjects and disciplines, so you can specialize in an area where you have expertise. Whether it's a foreign language, advanced calculus, coding, music, or any other specialized skill. Most tutoring jobs just want you to have a good grasp of the subject you'll teach. As long as you have a BA or an MA in the subject you'd like to tutor, little to no work experience is necessary. So it's a perfect job for recent graduates. But if you don't have a degree in the relevant subject, you could also opt for a freelance route or teach elementary school students. Some companies would still be open to hiring you as long as you're good at explaining things to children. Social media management. Social media is more than just a platform for casual interaction. It is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience, create brand awareness, and foster customer loyalty. If you have a passion for social media, creativity, and communication, a career in social media management could be a fulfilling option for you. The role of a social media manager involves managing a company's social media channels, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. As a social media manager, on a day-to-day basis, you will schedule social media posts across different platforms, collaborate with a content writer or designer to create quality social media content, monitor different social media marketing campaigns, and ensure that you're meeting company goals. As a social media manager, your primary role is to oversee and maintain an individual's or company's online presence across various social media platforms. You serve as the digital voice of the brand, creating and curating content while engaging with the online community to establish a strong, authentic connection. You will have the opportunity to express your creativity by developing content that resonates with your target audience. This may include creating visually appealing graphics, engaging videos, and well-crafted text posts, content creation, blogging. Creating content through blogging and vlogging is a great way to express yourself and find success online. If you're passionate about a particular topic, starting a blog or YouTube channel can help you share your expertise and experiences, and even earn revenue through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. To start creating content, begin by identifying your passion or area of expertise. This could be anything from travel and cooking to fashion, technology, fitness, or unique hobbies like painting miniature models. Your chosen niche will define your audience and differentiate you in the competitive online world. Making your mark in the social media landscape requires a nuanced strategy that involves a mix of various components. From creating compelling content and posting it at the right time to using ads smartly and understanding your brand performance through analytics. There's a lot that goes into sculpting your brand's online identity. Social media platforms have a lot of valuable insights into users' demographics, preferences, and behaviors. Social media managers can use analytics tools to gather data, understand their target audience better, and tailor content to meet audience expectations. This targeted approach leads to more effective marketing strategies. In the world of social media platforms, there is constant change. Brands need a dedicated social media manager who can stay informed about industry trends, competitor activities, and changes in their audience's behavior. This allows businesses to adapt their strategies to remain relevant and competitive. Transcription services. Transcription is the process of converting spoken words from audio or video files into written text. This essential service is used in various industries such as legal, medical, academic, and entertainment. To succeed in this role, You need to have a keen attention to detail, fast typing skills, and a strong commitment to accuracy. Transcription serves as the link that transforms spoken words, often captured in interviews, meetings, podcasts, or dictations, into written form. This written record is invaluable for documentation, analysis, accessibility, and archiving purposes. Transcriptionists are recognized for their fast and accurate typing skills. Typing speed, along with precision, is crucial. Practicing touch typing and using transcription software can help improve your efficiency. Remote transcription jobs are widely available since this is a job you need to do independently, and it only requires a computer and good listening and typing skills. Typically, transcriptionists don't need any previous experience, which makes it great for a first job. That you might be tested on how fast you can type. You need to be able to type at least 60 WPM while maintaining good grammar. Many companies provide training, so the most important thing for you to do when applying for a remote transcription job is to demonstrate your ability to deliver high-quality, error-free transcripts consistently. Embarking on an online career in the Philippines opens up a world of opportunities. Despite potential challenges, with dedication, organization, and a growth mindset, you can overcome them. Whether you're creating engaging content, providing virtual assistance, or delving into data, remember that your online journey is a dynamic path toward personal and professional growth. Embrace the tips we've shared, and you'll find success in this constantly changing digital landscape. Your adventure into the world of online work is just beginning, and it has the potential to shape a fulfilling and prosperous future for you. Before you head out and start applying, let's do a quick recap of the key points we've covered. It's possible to get a remote job with no experience, as long as you apply for the right roles. Some of the most popular remote jobs that don't require work experience are content writing, community management, customer support, sales, and content. When you're applying for a remote role, make sure to communicate your transferable skills, mention any certificates you have, and include links to your portfolio and LinkedIn. Prepare a flawless remote job resume by using professional resume templates, and you'll have your resume ready in minutes. Always be on the lookout for scams. If a remote job seems too good to be true, chances are it is.